The right axe technique is both safer and more efficient. When you chop branches off a log, stand on the side opposite from the branch. Keep the log between you and the limb in case the axe misses. When you're cutting through a log, hold the axe with one hand near the head and the other close to the knob on the handle. Lift the head above your shoulder and slide your hands together as you swing the cutting edge into the log. Let the weight of the axe head do most of the work. Aim your blows to cut a V-notch in the log.